Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make these gorgeous Christmas stars. You can use them as ornaments for your gifts, for wrappings, as I did here. Or you can just use them as an ornament for your Christmas tree. They are pretty usable, so easy and quick to make. And I would like to show you a few. As you can see in these two, I used sparkly yarn and one color of sparkle and a main color. You can make it like that. You can make them in two colors as this one here, or you can make them in only one color. Adjusting the size is pretty easy. Today I will show you how to make the big ones. So let's start with the materials. For these stars I'm using worsted weight yarn, or aran. In some countries it's aran weight, medium 4, a crochet hook size 4mm, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. First we will start with chain of 28. Just chain 28 chains. I'm ready with my foundation chain and make single crochet into the second chain from your hook. 1, 2. Then make single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the 5th stitch we will make single crochet 1, chain 1 and single crochet. This is the increase and it will be a corner where we will form the point of our star. This one here. We are working the corner, the first corner. So make single crochet 1, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch again. Now make single crochet into the next 8 stitches. 1, in the 9th stitch, the next stitch here, we will make the corner again. Make single crochet 1, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Repeat this one more time. Make single crochet into the next 8 stitches and make the corner into the 9th. In the end you will have 4 stitches, 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet into them. This is the end of first row and you should have a mini triangle. Row 2, chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet into the very first stitch here. Then make single crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th stitch is your chain 1 space that we made in the previous row between the 2 single crochet of the corner. Insert your hook into the space. It can be hard if you're a beginner, but with a little practice you will see the chain. It's right next to your stitch here. Then make single crochet 1 and we are making a mini picot stitch, but not with chain 3. We will make chain 2 to make it less pointy. Chain 2 and make slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Then make single crochet into the same space and it will give this pointy part of your corner. Then continue making single crochet into the next 10 stitches. When you finish with the 10 single crochet stitches, you will reach the next corner and repeat the same as we did in the first corner. So make single crochet, mini picot, chain 2 and slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. This is the picot stitch. Then make single crochet into the same space and continue making 10 single crochet into the 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches. Then you will reach the last corner, make your corner stitch and then make single crochet into the next 4 stitches, 5 stitches. And this is the first piece of our star. Then close with a chain 1 and fasten off cut your yarn. Leave a longer tail as we will need it to sew this star together. First weave your ends in. Use a tapestry needle. Now choose your right side. I'm using the side that I made the second round as my right side, and this is the wrong side. Turn your triangle with the wrong side towards you and take a tapestry needle and join both sides. Now again, weave your ends in. And cut the yarn. I forgot to tell you that you need to make two pieces for one star, but join only the first one like this. The second one we need it open as we will wrap it around this second triangle. I have prepared one more piece. Let me weave the ends in and I will show you how to wrap it around your first triangle. How to join your triangles into a star. Take the open one and place it on a flat surface. Then take the joined one and place it with the both corners on each side like this, upwards. Then take this side and place it inside. This one goes under this one, and the left side goes from under over the left side like this. Then take the right small side and place it over the right side like this, and take the left side, the small piece, and place it under the left, and we will join them here. Turn your star and place them with the right side facing each other, so we are working joining them on the wrong side. Take your tapestry needle and sew them together. Weave your ends in. And turn your star. And this is how it will look in the end. I hope that this video tutorial was helpful for you, and if you enjoyed this video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. See you in the next video.